What's up guys, and today I'll be showing you the Sandisk iXpand drive. I can't tell you how much I hate to connect my iPhone to iTunes and let them back up all of my data all the time. So I found the easiest way to do it, and this is the Sandisk iXpand drive, and you can see that it have a lightning port on one side and the other side it have a USB-A port. It is not a USB 2.0, it's a USB 3.0, so you can transfer your data fastly as compared to normal USBs. So I have a 32 GB of USB, and you can also purchase this 64 GB and 128 GB and as well as 256 GB. So it depends on how much memory you need, so you can purchase that one. So to plug it in your iPhone, you just need to install an application first of all, which name is iXpand drive. You can see that, and after installation of the application, you just need to plug the USB in your iPhone just like this, and you will see a pop-up notification and it will ask you the permission to open the application. When you click on allow, it will automatically open the application, and which is very nice. And you can see that first of all on the upper side you will see the all of the introduction, and you will also see the storage available on your iPhone and iXpand drive. You can see that on iPhone 2 GB of memory is available, and in Sandisk iXpand drive 32 GB of memory is available. First of all, there is option of copy files, and you will see two options in there. Copy photos from the iPhone. So if you want to copy your data from iPhone to iXpand, you need to click on the first option. Then you can see that all of your library is opened. You can copy all of your photos and videos from here. Select all of photos you want to copy. Like I have selected 5 photos, and you can see that there is option down there, copy to iXpand drive. Click on it and you will see that copy here option, and click on it and all of your photos will be copied to your iXpand drive. And it will ask you to delete your from these photos from your iPhone or not, and just click on it, do not delete if you do not want to delete. So if you want to copy your data from your iXpand to your iPhone, just click on the bottom option and you will see that all of the photos that I have just copied from your iPhone to iXpand all have been seen in the iXpand drive. So if you want to copy again them, you can see that just select of them and copy to iPhone and just click on it. So all of these photos are again saved in iXpand drive. So this is the way you can copy all of the photos and videos to your iPhone or your iXpand drive. So you can also use the file of your iPhone and iXpand from here, and you can also backup and restore all of your data from your iPhone to iXpand. So you can backup all of your library and social media, and also you can backup your contacts and calendar from your iPhone to iXpand drive. So if you want to copy your files from your iPhone to iXpand, it's also possible. For example, I have a photo in my files app. To copy your files from your iPhone to iXpand, you just need to press and hold on it, and you will see option of share. Click on share option and you will see iXpand drive option. Click on it and it will open the application, and you can see that it will open this window, and click on save here, and it will automatically transfer your photos from your files to iXpand drive. So this is a device that helps me a lot of things to transfer my data from iPhone to laptop or laptop to iPhone. Now I don't have to bring any cables or install any softwares like iTunes or 3D tools to transfer my data from iPhone to laptop or laptop to iPhone. Now I just have to carry this one USB with me all of the time to transfer my data from all the way. So that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until peace out.